Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly forecast, weekly prediction from 11th of January 2021 to 17th January 2021. During this time, you know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants this whole week from 11th of January 2021 to 17th January 2021. Jupiter is combust in your 10th house, Saturn is combust in your 10th house. You are trying to perform your best at your workplace, but your results are not very promising. But you keep trying because this week will bring good news after success, after great hard work and struggle, because your ascendant Lord transit in your first house, which will be a very rewarding for you. Mars transit in your first house, it will give you lot of fruitful results. Don't try to show your ego, attitude or aggression in front of your family member and your close friends. Overall, this week will give you a lot of success after your great hard work or struggle. You will feel sometime very low energy, or you will feel sometime your work is not going to give profit as per your expectation, but you no need to worry because Mars is promising in your transit. If you have a Mars Mahadasha, Sun Mahadasha, Jupiter Mahadasha, you will definitely sky high and top. You will feel a lot of good energy. Overall, after struggle, after small hard work, your hard work convert in sweet success. You will blessed with a great height of success on the end of this week. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while signing any document. You need to be careful while start any new business. This is not right time. Wednesday and Thursday will be a rewarding for you. If you want to start anything new, you may start. You will blessed with a lot of money. You will blessed with a lot of source of earning. Your health will fine, your good fortune is in your favor. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Your family will support you. Your love life will be excellent. Your spouse will support you. Aries, Wednesday and Thursday, if you want to start something new, you must start. Friday and Saturday, you would spend very good time with your family and friend. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Some unexpected gains are there. Some positive energy you will feel on Friday and Saturday. Some new friends may enter in your life, or you may spend some quality time with your family and friend, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, but after struggle, after hard work, you will get success. You will achieve all goals, whatever you think about yourself. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 11th January to 17th January 2021. Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 9th house. Your ascendant Lord Venus transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful while showing your trust on others. If you are a businessman, if you are any type of trader or importer exporter, don't sign any document without read. First you need to check the documents, then you go for the sign or any deal. This whole week brings mixed fruit for you. Your work pressure will give you a lot of stress. Some unexpected money, you may spend on your luxurious item, or someone may demand some money from your family and friends, which you feel not positive, or you're feeling unbalancing situation in your savings and in your money. Some unexpected expenditures are there. Taurus, you are blessed because Jupiter Saturn is in your 9th house. Mercury is in your 9th house, but you need to be careful while start anything new, while investing your money, because Jupiter Saturn 9th house Lord is combust in your in transit. If you have a Saturn Mahadasha or Antardasha, don't start anything new during this week. Your 11th Lord is also combust. You will suffer a little bit about your source of earning, but you will get blessed with after hard work and struggle, you will get good results. This whole week you are feeling mixed result and you will feel some low energy. Try to perform your best at your workplace, then you will get fantastic results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Some workload will irritate you. Mars is transit in your 12th house, is not very promising position as per your birth chart, because Mars is not very ruling planet. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, then this week will be a productive for you. Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling very low and uncomfort. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be top and sky high. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy unexpected money from your workplace. If you are a businessman, you may sign new order. You may get big order from foreign land. Friday and Saturday, You're feeling little bit low, confused, double-minded. Don't be a part of any arguments or any fight at your workplace. Try to show your respect to your elders at your home, and try to give some respect to your seniors at your workplace. Don't try to be a part of any arguments or any problem. Taurus, you need to perform your best this week, because this week you will feel some unbalancing situation. Must donate bananas at temple on Thursday. Must read Lakshmi Chalisa, Goddess Lakshmi Chalisa, every day morning. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, this whole week, Jupiter Saturn is in combust in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your health. Take care of your health. Take care of your father health and grandfather health. Always use respectful word in the respect of your parents, in the respect of your elders. Use good words. Don't use any wrong word in front of your elders. Don't show your ego or attitude. Try to be a humble. Try to be a polite. Gemini, this is a struggling week for you. Monday and Tuesday, you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low energy, discomfort. Relationship with your close friend will be suffer. You will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Health related trouble are there. Wednesday and Thursday, you are not feeling comfortable related to your health. Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 8th house. Mercury is also transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful while driving. Certain health problem will create some problem. Gemini, must chant Om Gan Ganapataye Nama mantra. Om Gan Ganapataye Nama, Om Gan Ganapataye Nama, Om Gan Ganapataye Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. And must read Ganesh Chalisa every day morning. Friday and Saturday will be better days for you, but not as per your expectation. Try to touch feet of your father and grandfather at your home. You should take blessing from your father's side, from your grandfather's side. Must go for cremation ground and must give some charity at cremation ground on Saturday. Try to give medical charity on Saturday to someone needy people. Gemini, you need to perform your best at your workplace. This whole week you will see a lot of negative energy and a lot of low confidence you will feel. But chant mantra Om Gan Ganapataye Nama. Read Ganesh Chalisa every day morning. You will feel better and relax, and must take blessings from your father and grandfather's side. Don't be a part of any arguments or litigation. Don't borrow money from anywhere. Otherwise you never pay back. Gemini, more you put your effort at your workplace, more you achieve good results. Otherwise, struggle is there. Transit is not helpful for you. You may have Gemini ascendants, you may have Gemini moon sign. You will be a part of any problem or any hurdles. Let's talk about Cancer ascendants. From 11th January to 17th January 2021, Cancer ascendants, you need to be careful about your health. Some stomach related trouble will irritate you. Backbone related trouble will irritate you. Lower part of your stomach will be affected. Try to be in a good relationship with your spouse. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of your spouse. If you are in a love affair, if you are in a living relationship, give respect to your partner. Give respect to your spouse. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Jupiter, Saturn combust in your 7th house. Don't be a part of any arguments at your workplace. If your business in partnership, try to be a polite talks with your business partner. Otherwise, there is a lot of problem, will create a lot of hurdles. Cancer, you need to perform your best. From 11 Jan to 17 Jan, you will see mixed results. But Jupiter Saturn aspect is in your 1st house. You will enjoy a lot of good health, but you need to be careful. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday is not very rewarding for your health. Stomach related trouble will there. Backbone related trouble will there. Thursday and Friday will be a rewarding days for you. Unexpected money will knock you. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. Some long distance journeys you may plan in this week. You will enjoy great success. All around success is there. Now I am going to talk about Leo Sanders. Leo Sanders from 11th January to 17th January. This whole week, you need to be careful while signing any document. Don't be a part of any problem. This whole week will brings mixed result for you. You are not in a comfort zone. You are not feeling relaxed. You will get success after great struggle and hard work. Your hard work will pay off you, but you need to perform your best at your workplace. Leo, relationship with your father will be a key of success in this week. You must take blessings from your father's side or grandfather's side. Must read Aditya Hriday Stotra every day morning. Must go for Surya Namaskar every day morning. Try to, touch feet of your father before start your day, every day. You will be feel much relaxed and positive. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't spend your money. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You may plan some foreign activities. You may plan some foreign journeys. But that journeys is not going to give fruitful results. So try to avoid the journeys in this week. If you're planning to invest your money in real estate or stock market, don't invest your money from 11th Jan to 17th Jan. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Sanders. Virgo Sanders, this whole week, Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 5th house, and Monday and Tuesday, as per moon calculation, you will feel much relaxed and better. Lot of new source of earning will make you happy. Some unexpected gains are there. Your old investment will give you fruitful result. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. If you are trying to invest your money in stock market, then Monday and Tuesday rewarding days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, as per moon transit, you are not in a comfort zone. Don't be a part of any problem or any litigation. Take care of your health. Stomach related trouble will irritate you. Don't sign any document without read. Virgo, overall, you will feel lot of good energy, positivity in this week. Friday and Saturday will be ultimate days for you. You will enjoy great success. If you are finding a job in foreign land, you will get work permit. You will get foreign PR if you are already applied. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. Good gains are there, but you need to be careful about your health on Wednesday and Thursday. Overall, you will be sky high and top. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Sanders. This whole week from 11th Jan to 17th Jan 2021, you will see unbalancing situation. You are not feeling comfortable. Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 4th house. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health. Some stomach related trouble are there. Some nervous system related trouble are there. Don't be a part of any problem at your workplace. Try to perform your best at your workplace with honesty. Libra, this whole week brings mixed fruit for you. Monday and Tuesday, you will be enjoy very good monetary gains. Wednesday and Thursday, you are not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your mother will be a matter of concern. Health of your mother will be a matter of concern. You may spend some money without any reason. Don't spend your money Wednesday or Thursday. Friday and Saturday will be a rewarding days for you. You will feel much relaxed and comfort, and you may plan some short journeys with your family or friends. Friday and Saturday, some unexpected money will knock you. Good fortune is in your pocket. You just try to cash your good fortune with your hard work. Overall, this whole week brings mixed results for you. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Sanders. Scorpio, Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 3rd house. Mercury is also, transit in your 3rd house. You need to be careful while traveling. You need to even try to avoid traveling during this week from 11 Jan to 17 Jan. This is not very productive week for you. If you are go for a business trip, then results is not as per your expectation. So try to avoid the foreign journeys. Try to avoid the short distance or long distance journey during this week. Don't sign any new document. Monday and Tuesday, you will be sky high and top. Some unexpected money from foreign land will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of good mental peace. You will enjoy a lot of good source of earning. Wednesday and Thursday, you will enjoy great success. Your mother will support you. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. Wednesday and Thursday, some new opportunities will knock you. You will be sky high and top. Due to your strong willpower and courage, you will create magic at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will fulfill your targets on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday will be a rewarding days for you. You will feel much relaxed and better. And you will spend wonderful time with your friends. There is a strong chances for some short distance journeys are there. Friday and Saturday, some email or some phone call from foreign land will make you happy. There is a strong chances you may start some foreign business with someone, Scorpio, and you must start if you get any opportunity. Because Jupiter Saturn aspecting is on your 9th house and Saturn 10th aspect is on your 12th house. There is a strong chances for foreign successful activities will knock you. Let's talk about Sagittarius ascendants. From 11 Jan 2021 to 17 Jan 2021, Sagittarius, your ascendance lord is in combust position in your 2nd house. With 2nd lord is also combust and conjunction in your 2nd house. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't start anything new. Take care of your expenditures. This is not right time. You may spend your money without any reason. Take care of your savings. Don't give your money to your friend, otherwise you never get back. But your hard work and your struggle will give you fruitful results. You will feel much relaxed and blessed on Monday and Tuesday. You will be sky high and top because your seniors are very satisfied from your performance. Sagittarius, Monday and Tuesday, there is a strong chances for your increment or you may earn some additional earning as a commission or as a brokerage. If you're a businessman, you will be blessed with a smart profit. Sagittarius, you just need to perform your best. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, your confidence level will be sky high. Your siblings will support you. Your family will support you. Your kids will support you. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. You will spend very good time at your workplace. Your hard work create a lot of magic at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of success. Wednesday and Thursday, due to your strong willpower and confidence level, you will achieve big goals. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. They may give you promotion, sudden increment or promotion, or some unexpected gains are there. Because Jupiter Saturn combust in your Dhan Bhav, 2nd house. Must wear yellow sapphire. Must wear yellow sapphire, right hand index finger in gold. You will be on top. Must visit Lord Vishnu temple Thursday. You will feel much relaxed and better. And burn one diya in front of Lord Vishnu. Chant this mantra, Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy around you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be ultimate days for you. Weekend, you will spend wonderful time with your family and friends. You will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy all around success in this week. You will get a lot of monetary gains. You may get a lot of business opportunities. People are trying to start anything new with you. Your friends will give you a lot of good opportunities. Some short distance and long distance journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy great success in this week. You just try to put your 100% effort at your workplace. You will be sky high and top. Just chant the mantra Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru for your positivity. You will enjoy a lot of mental peace. Your soul will be satisfied after chanting this mantra. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, 108 times, 131 times, 151 times. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. And your soul will be satisfied after chanting this mantra. Because your ascendant's ruler planet is Jupiter, Guru. So when you chant this mantra, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, you will feel much relaxed. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn, take care of your health. Take care of dealing with your spouse. Don't show your aggression. Don't use loose talks with your spouse. Try to give your respect to a spouse. Otherwise, your marriage life is a target from Saturn side. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury transit in your 1st house. Your ascendant lord is in first house. This is not very well placement. Saturn never give good result when transit in ascendance. It will create a lot of mental stress. And in this week from 11 Jan to 17 Jan, Jupiter Saturn is combust. You are not feeling comfortable. Monday, Tuesday, you will be a part of any problem. You are not happy from your spouse. You are not happy from your love life. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, you are not in a comfort zone. This whole week will create a lot of problems. This whole week will create a lot of issues in your personal life as well as your professional life. You need to maintain good balance between professional and personal life. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Show your respect and honor. Give some respect, love and honor to your spouse. They may be doing anything wrong with you, but you are trying to perform your best. Always keep smiling on your face. Then you will, cross this week. Otherwise, problems are there. Jupiter Saturn is combust. Mercury is in first house. Don't be a miser, but don't spend too much money. Don't start anything new. Capricorn, you will be a part of any problem. There is no doubt. But you need to perform your best at any cost, at your workplace, at your home. Otherwise, problems is there. If you are married, you need to take care of your relationship. Relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling happy. Peace of mind is missing, Capricorn. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before sleep. Try to visit Gurdwara Sahib or temple Thursday and Saturday. And must donate some money as a charity at Gurdwara Sahib. You will definitely feel good energy. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants this whole week for 11th January to 17th January 2021. Jupiter Saturn combust in your 12th house. Mercury is also transit in your 12th house. Unexpected expenditures will irritate a lot of problem. Health of your spouse will be a matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. Don't invest your money in stock market. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't give your money to anyone. Otherwise, you will never get back. Don't go for any journey. Long distance or short distance journey, try to avoid. Don't try for PR or work permit during this time because Jupiter Saturn is combust in your 12th house. Someone may cheat you. You have to wait. Once Jupiter Saturn arrives in 12th house, you may apply for PR. You will get PR work permit very easily. But this is not a right time. This whole week, Monday and Tuesday, some unexpected expenditures will create a lot of problems. Some government related issues are there. Try to pay your bill installments on time. Otherwise, you will get any notice from government side. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected money will knock you, but not as per your expectations. You will be a part of any problem or litigation. Take care of your spouse health. Take care of your own health. Take care of your father health. Friday and Saturday, you may spend wonderful time with your family, but you are not feeling comfortable. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night 3 times before you sleep. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. This whole week, unexpected money will make you happy. 11 January 2021 to 17 January 2021, you will be sky high and top. Source of earning will develop. You will enjoy a lot of good gains. Your health will fine. Some new business opportunities will knock you. Your elders will support you. You will get loan from government side. Unemployed people may get job. Jupiter Saturn combust in your 11th house. It will give you fantastic results. You will enjoy a lot of growth at your workplace. If you're a businessman, you will bless with a lot of profits. Some sudden profits will make you happy. 11th house, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury transit in this whole week, and moon placement as per Monday and Tuesday, you will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, a lot of new business opportunities are there. Wednesday and Thursday, your family and spouse will support you. You will enjoy very good time at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of success. This whole week, Pisces, you just need the chant mantra Om Guruvaye Namah, Om Ga Guruvaye Namah, Om Ga Guruvaye Namah. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. I'm looking forward to a great success. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.